Welcome to our channel. Adding distance off the tee while maintaining control transforms your scoring potential. These techniques help you bomb drives down the middle. Step 1. Optimize your launch conditions. Tee the ball high enough that half the ball sits above your driver crown. Position it forward in your stance to encourage upward strike angle and optimal launch. Step 2. Focus on increasing your rotation speed rather than swinging harder with your arms. Hip and shoulder speed generate power. Work on making faster, more athletic turns while maintaining balance. Step 3. Improve your sequence and timing. Power comes from proper kinematic sequence. Ground, hips, torso, arms, club. Practice starting your downswing with lower body movement while your upper body completes the backswing. Step 4. Create more width in your swing. A wider arc generates more speed. Extend your arms during takeaway and maintain width through impact rather than pulling inward. Step 5. Strike up on the ball for maximum distance. With the driver, your lowest point should occur before the ball, allowing you to catch it on the upswing for optimal launch angle and spin rate. Step 6. Optimize your equipment. Get fitted for a driver with proper loft, shaft flex, and length. Modern fitting technology identifies specifications that maximize your distance. Step 7. Develop greater flexibility and core strength through golf-specific fitness training. Physical limitations restrict your ability to create speed and distance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.